Hey guys, today we are outside of the city of Antalya in southern Turkey, and we're gonna go look for a waterfall. It's a beautiful day again. We just can't get over how beautiful the weather's been since we've been here.
So we made it to the waterfall. It is absolutely beautiful. I think you can swim in it, but I'm a bit cold right now, so I'm scared to get in that water. It looks like at one time you could walk across there and up underneath, but they got the barricade here so you can no longer make it through. Again, it was only about $2 US to get in here. We're gonna move on to the next spot. Oh, just across the way there.
So it's a nature walk. It's a really nice little trail. It's shady and cool and not a lot of bugs. That's nice. It's about $2.50 for 2 people to get in, and I guess you can kill about half hour an hour here, right?
Yeah.
Take a bunch of pictures and now cool
Take
down.
a little walk, yeah.
Nice little nature walk. Definitely worth it. 25-30 minute drive from Antalya, that's for sure. Get out of the city there.
Yeah.
All right, let's go see what this guy's spraying and get out of here. He's watering the water. This is the plant tunnel, it looks like. Maybe.
It's a tree tunnel.
I'm gonna go this way.
I'll go this way.
All right.
Up and under. Down and under. These things aren't as wet, slippery.
Yeah, here's a pro tip. If you do come here, wear your best grippy shoes because these rocks are so slippery.
And they water them. They clean them.
Oh, shit, look at that snake.
You got me.
Oh, I got you right on film. Okay, we made it to the chickens, or the exit, and whew, a little out of breath from the climb, but beautiful, not bad. For $1.25 to get in, it's definitely worth a little bit of a ride to get here. Now there's also another one about 15 minutes from here, so we're gonna go see if we can find that one next and give you guys just a day of waterfalls in Antalya. How's that sound?
Sounds good, yeah.
All right, let's do it. As much fun as the waterfalls are, driving around these little towns is like the best part of having a car. we get to see this, taking buses or whatever. We made it to the second waterfall. This one cost 50 cents to get into. That's a bargain. And you can hear the call to prayer in the background.
It doesn't seem like as big as the other place was, though, so maybe that's why it's a little less expensive.
Boy, it's moving. Moving. This one's a lot more touristy. It's not so much of a nature walk, it's more like a trail. There's picnic tables and a lot of couples romancing, and saw them making tea and having lunch. We're gonna try to find a good view. Definitely more of an Instagram hell, this one, but it's still real peaceful, and the tourist one here would be beautiful actually, but a little crowded.
But it could be we just waited till later in the day. I'm sure if you got here
late.
early, yeah, it'd be really nice.
Again, it's really a close drive from Antalya, maybe 20 minutes, and 50 cents each, and maybe 50 cents for parking. You really can't go wrong, right?
It's a nice, get out of the city type thing. I mean, you're in the city, but you're not in the city. So.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Hey. That's so cool. That's where we just were. Instagram hell. That water is so blue though.
This is the cave. Alright, so that one's definitely a little bit more crowded, but still for the amount of money, it's only like 50 cents or whatever, you can't go wrong. It's, still beautiful.
Yeah. No swimming in either of them though. I didn't see anybody. I thought we brought our bathing suits and.
But we did hear about a mystery third waterfall that flows into the ocean, so maybe we can find that one for you guys. We'll see if we have any luck. Ready?
Ready.
This is the end of Alden's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like if you did, subscribe, and definitely leave us a comment. We'd love to hear what you guys think. See you tomorrow for another big adventure.